now we got our step liner marked. I set some blocks up here so that we can use a jigsaw. The circular saw, the RPMs are just a little bit too fast. They create too much friction and binds up when you're cutting the rubber. It's not that you can't cut it with a circular saw. This just cuts it so much easier. This is just a regular wood blade on a cordless jigsaw. So let's put the liner up on these blocks. You want the gap in between to be real small so you can't get any sag or movement out of the middle. Jigsaw. There we go. Nice clean cut. Rubber's not heated up. Nice thing about using a jigsaw too, if for some reason you have some one square piece, some kind of awkward piece that you have to go up, you can cut it out to any shape you want.